Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News. Anandi with an update on Indian weather. Rainfall activity to reduce further over the next 3 days in Mumbai. Mumbai woke up to clear skies in the morning in a much needed respite from the torrential rains, 300 mm, that battered the city and neighboring areas within just 24 hours starting Tuesday. No overnight showers were reported, news agency PTI said, adding that the India Meteorological Department had sounded yellow alert for the city. Rainfall activity is likely to reduce over Konkan and Madhya Maharashtra from today onwards. Over the next 3 days, the IMD said on its daily bulletin. While some delays were reported in suburban services on Central Railway and Western Railway early Thursday, the buses of Brihan Mumbai Electric Supply and Transport are said to be operating smoothly again. On Wednesday evening, the Divisional Railway Manager of Mumbai Western Railway provided the details on some local train services to be cancelled for Thursday. As the city witnessed some respite following days of torrential rains, Chief Minister said the situation is under control, adding that all the necessary precautions regarding disaster management are being taken by deploying NDRF and SDRF jawans in areas being lashed by heavy rains in the state. A flood-like situation has developed across the Krishna River basin due to continuous rainfall over the past few days, prompting district administration to shift residents to safer locations and set up relief centers, according to a TOI report on Wednesday. Authorities at Almaty Dam are releasing 2.5 lakh cusecs of water, while the average inflow stands at 1.6 lakh cusecs. Officials have warned that if outflow rises to 5 lakh cusecs, villages like Masuti could be entirely submerged. Water levels in the Krishna, Ghataprabha and Malaprabha rivers have surged, causing widespread concern. In Mirji village of Mudal Taluk, a relief center has been opened to accommodate displaced families, said Bagalkot District Commissioner. Meanwhile, Narayanpur Dam is expected to see inflows rise to 2.6 lakh cusecs in the coming hours. Officials have informed to TOI that continuous rains have partially damaged 47 houses in the region, though no casualties have been reported so far. Flood-like situation prevailed and several people had to be evacuated from low-lying areas of several coastal districts in Gujarat after heavy rains battered them on Wednesday, with Mendar Taluka in Junagadh recording 331 mm rainfall in 12 hours, officials said. The Meteorological Department predicted more such showers in the next 2 days. Several parts of Junagadh is in the Saurashtra region of the state received very heavy rains in the morning, with the Weather Bureau forecasting isolated extremely heavy to the exceptionally heavy rainfall in the district till Thursday morning. That's all for now. For more weather news update like this, stay tuned with us on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather update like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates. Thanks for watching.